Euro against US dollar in the previous week we can see that fell in value and then rise in value, where the price has stopped just here around 1.1075, and then the price movement, this bullish breakout above that, and then continue to rise in value. We can see that, but the price has gone all the way back up around this area, which is around 1.115, and then returned back down on a Friday, where the price could not manage to continue the rising in value for some reason. Currently it is trading right here at the support level. How the week looks? It looks like a small bullish candle. After the price has reached this support level, we can see that it is an uptrend which is now acting as a support line. The price did not manage to continue this bearish momentum which was in the week before. A monthly time frame was currently formed as a bullish candle, and we can see after the price formed this bullish breakout in the previous week, this week the price also formed a small bullish candle with a smaller wick on the upper side. It did not reach 1.1187. This is just continuation of this monthly this is the monthly time frame where the prices continue to rise in value. But remember that this is just start of this month, and we can see this bullish breakout has not been validated. That means the next month should not return below 1.098 just to confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one. If the price returns back down below 1.098, this will be a failed bullish breakout because there is no strength to push the price higher. This will be a trigger for the price to return back down in the opposite direction against this bullish breakout. But if it continues to rise in value, we can see that 1.118 is the next resistance that needs to be broken in order to continue rising in value in the next levels. This is just monthly, so it is better to watch how the price behaves around the weekly. The weekly time frame, which is currently in between the support and the resistance level, we can see that it needs to make a clean information where it's setting, because this bearish candle is not suggesting further decline in the price, but this decline was just for the price reaching the next resistance and then simple small retrace back down. The daily time frame will show us much more clean information, and that means this is the support level that needs to be broken in order to continue to fall down even more. But if the price returns back up about 1.110, this will indicate further rise in value, which was also expected in the last part of the previous week. So will the price continue? It depends what happens during today and also especially tomorrow after the price makes a clean breakout out of this area. I will also share the daily analysis with the traders inside the Telegram group, so you can also check the link below in the description. It's free completely, so you can also join. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.